Hello, and welcome to the Coldbox Masterclass video training series. My name is Nolan Irk, and I'll be your instructor throughout this course. This is a multi-part video series in which we'll cover various aspects of the Coldbox ecosystem. The ecosystem basically consists of three products: Coldbox, Commandbox, and Forgebox. We'll use all three together in this video series. With the recent release of Coldbox 5, plus the Commandbox CLI and Forgebox tooling, there is no better time to embrace all three as an excellent technology stack for building well-structured MVC applications in CFML. We'll show you the ins and outs of building Coldbox 5 applications, plus how using Commandbox and Forgebox make the development workflow much more efficient. This ecosystem gives CFML developers all the modern tooling and workflow benefits that JavaScript and Node developers have been bragging about for years. You can have all the same benefits in your CFML applications, and we'll show you how. If you're new to object-oriented programming, this video series also includes several primer lessons to get you up to speed on fundamental OOP concepts, including the Model View Controller design pattern. We'll teach you everything you need to know in order to start building modern CFML applications and using current best practices. Coldbox is a fully featured Model View Controller framework. In addition to the MVC pattern itself, Coldbox comes with many other features such as viewlets, interceptors, event caching, and more. They're all optional, but you'll find that each of them have various benefits and can make your software development more efficient, especially as you get into building larger applications. Also with Coldbox, you get several additional libraries that come in handy when building larger web applications. Among the many features of Coldbox, you'll get Wirebox, the dependency injection library, Cachebox, which helps make it easy to implement various types of caching into your applications, and you'll also get Logbox, a great tool for providing various types of logging functionality within your codebase. Testing has become a big topic for discussion and development recently. There are many types of testing being implemented nowadays, from unit testing to integration tests and more. Also with Coldbox, you'll get Testbox, the testing framework. Testbox makes it easy to write various types of tests, making sure your application is as robust as possible. The tests can be run and reported in a variety of ways, from HTML to console output, and many others. All of this comes for free to you, baked into any Coldbox 5 application without you having to do any additional work. Commandbox has become a true game changer in the CFML world over the last few years. It's the equivalent of JavaScript's Node.js tool, and it provides all the same benefits, but for ColdFusion developers. All of the command line scaffolding, server setup and teardown automation, and consistency with project structure and environments that JavaScript developers have been getting from Node for years, we CFML developers now have available from Commandbox. Commandbox also integrates nicely with Coldbox development. Many of the common tasks done when building a Coldbox application, such as creating new handlers, new views, testing the application, and creating modules, all of these things can be streamlined and automated by using Commandbox. So instead of, say, changing a configuration file, manually creating a new folder and new files for each section of your application, you can simply type a few things into Commandbox and the code is written for you, as are any of the configuration or other updates that might need to happen elsewhere in your application. You get all of those things automated simply by using Commandbox. Testing our applications can often be a big pain point, both in terms of writing tests and in running the code against a server. Commandbox helps with integrating Testbox into your application in the same ways as it does Coldbox functionality. You can simply type a few commands and get the tests running against your codebase, all baked in because of Commandbox. Do you have multiple ColdFusion or Lucy servers running different versions? Or do you want to test your application against, say, ColdFusion 2016 and 2018 to see if there are any issues before upgrading your production servers? Commandbox makes doing this incredibly easy. You won't even have to manually install the different versions of ColdFusion or Lucy. Again, by simply typing a few commands, you'll get whatever CFML engine you want in just a few seconds. All of this is very easily integrated into the Coldbox workflow, also thanks to Commandbox. And finally, we'll also show you Forgebox, the registry for CFML applications. Going back to our earlier JavaScript and Node point of reference, the JavaScript community has NPM, the Node Package Manager, a place out in the cloud where JavaScript developers can package and share their reusable JavaScript applications and libraries. NPM works really well. making it super easy to share and reuse JavaScript code across numerous projects. It helped accelerate the JavaScript development tremendously over the last few years. And now with Forgebox, CFML developers have the exact same thing. During this video series, we'll install and use several different items from Forgebox. We'll also show you how you can package and share your own CFML applications on Forgebox, so the rest of the ColdFusion community can reuse your applications. If that all seems like a lot, well, it is. This is the Coldbox Masterclass video series after all. We're going to cover a lot of content, but don't worry, it will all be broken down into bite-sized chunks over a series of videos with sample code to follow along. You can go at your own pace and rewatch the videos as many times as you like to make sure the concepts are understood. Welcome to the Coldbox Masterclass. Let's get going.